Hey everyone, welcome back to Earn With Loki. Today we are talking about one of the best platforms for writers to earn money. It's Medium. If you love writing and want to make passive income just by sharing your thought, this is video for you. So I will cover in this video how to join Medium, eligibility and requirements, how you actually earn money, and pro tips to maximize your earning. So let's get started. So Medium. So it is a blogging platform where writers share stories on topics like tech, finance, self-improvement, and more. So in this platform, readers pay a monthly subscriptions, $5 per month, and writers earn based on the engagement, like a read, claps, etc. I will share everything. Okay, so don't worry about that. So big plus is no advertisement or sponsorship needed. You earn just by writing your quality content. Okay, so this is the homepage of Medium. Okay, so after creating, so this will be show. Okay, so it is a list and this is the home page. Okay, so here is the option for the write. Okay, after clicking that, so you can write your title and your story, and okay, and now you can publish. Okay, so it's a very and it's not a very complicated dashboard. It's very easy to use, but just like a title, or you can edit or see here is the capital and everything you will get. Still, if you have any queries or very confusing, so you can comment down so I can make an video about that. Okay, now moving to the next section, so how you can join the Medium partner program. So it's the main thing, so your earning will start. Okay, so first you have to sign up, okay, on medium.com and get started, like using Google or email. It's free to join, okay, but to earn you need the partner program. Okay, so this platform is completely free. So step 2, apply for the partner program. So how you can apply for the partner program? Okay, if you create a new account, so it will be show like this one. See, uh, this is the other account, this is the my account. See, this is my profile. Okay, I have created a new account. Okay, so here is the option for the apply for a partner program. Okay, so click on that, and here will be the option for apply now. Okay, see, it is the country option. In a few months ago India is not available, but right now India is available, so it's a great opportunity for Indians who write on the different platforms. So Medium, it is one of the great opportunity to write. Okay, now click on the next, and this will be the open. So see, here is the you are not currently Medium partner. So सबसे पहले आपको मीडियम मेंबर ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू जॉइन द मेंबरशिप. ओके, सो क्लिक ऑन दैट. सो इट विल बी आस्किंग अ मंथली. सी, इट इज़ अ फॉर मंथली एंड दिस इज द एनुअली पे आउट. ओके, आप इसको ज्वाइन करोगे तभी आपको नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में वहाँ पे आपको पार्टनर प्रोग्राम के लिए अप्लाई किया जाएगा. Okay, after that you have to publish at least in the 6 month. This will be also right if you complete this, and you will be go to the next section, that is the Stripe account. Okay, so it's a very easy steps, not a rocket science. So after that complete, you have to connect the Stripe account. If you find any issues creating a Stripe account, so comment down in video. I will make it. Okay, so pro tip, if you are not eligible yet, start writing, build an audience first. Okay, don't focus on earning or like that. Okay, so if you're a genuine, if you're a very enthusiastic writer, so this is the great platform for writing. Okay, so how you can earn money, it is the main thing. So Medium pays you based on a member engagement. Okay, see, this is the my Medium post. Okay, so this is the 4.4k claps and 75 comments. Okay, so how much I earn from this only post? Okay, so I'm showing you how much I earn from only this post. Okay, now I'm going to the story status. See, this is the my lifetime earning, 3.88 USD. Okay, here is the 17k views only and 11.7k rates. So reading ratio is 69. It's a very good, it's above 50%. Okay, so I earn $3.88 only for a single this post. It's very less. If you're a very good writer or a good quality content, so you can earn in 3 figures also. Okay, so it's the complete, so it's completely depend on the how long subscribers read your article. So it's basis on the reading time. Okay, more claps is the higher earning. So earn extra by bringing in a new member. Okay, so if you have any friends, so you can also share your stories and they will join, so you can get a more earning. Okay, if they join the premium. Okay, so some writers make $100 to $5 100 per month. Top earners even also 5,000 USD. And so you can check out by Google or an open platform. It's a true or a false. Okay, so now moving to the next section, tips to earn more. Okay, so want to maximize earnings, so follow these proven tips. Okay, so example like I'm going to the writing sections. Okay, so if you write here, uh, my travel experience. Okay, so my travel experience. Okay, so it's like title is not very engaging or eye catchy, so it's a great high chances you will get not more rich. Okay, if you have a still good content, so how you can write title, how I traveled India for 5,000 rupees, for 5,000 rupees using the simple hack. Okay, so this is the way eye catching, this is the right viral worthy headlines. Okay, now second is pick high paying niche. So in medium it's like a same YouTube, like take money, productivity, self improvement, etc. niche are available. So medium, on medium, if you are a writer, if you want to write, so choose any take money, productivity, or a self improvement, or a stories, okay, according to you. So it's a very high paying and a very more engaging content on a medium. Okay, and one most important thing is consistency. So publish consistently, aim for a 2 to 3 articles per week to stay relevant. Okay, so I'm not a very relevant here, but what I love and what I get something productive, I post there. I don't care about the earning or something. I post, that's it. That's why I'm not caring about the what I earning. See, I'm here on a 2023, so it's a really long term, and I will show you my payment also, you will shock. Okay, so this is the, see how much articles I posted there, and my niche, my uh, I'm opening one more thing. Okay, see, here is the 10 powerful lessons from number one rule to success discipline. So you can see how I published, how I write, everything. Okay, so last one is use publication. Okay, submit to medium publications like the startup or a better humans for a more exposures or something. You can your post to apply on a medium publication. Okay, so how you can apply that? So it's a very easy thing. Okay, after publish, you will get the option for the application. Okay, now how and when you get paid. Okay, so in the month of the end, they pay via Stripe. ओके, सो मिनिमम थ्रेशोल्ड इज 10 USD. ओके, जब तक आपके अकाउंट में 10 USD नहीं होगी, आप विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकोगे स्ट्राइप से. ओके, तो आपका जो अर्निंग रहेगा, ओके, वॉट एवर यूर अर्निंग ऑन अ डैशबोर्ड, इट विल शो हियर इन पार्टनर प्रोग्राम. ओके, so this is for June. Also you can check the complete rollover, here is showing 5.32 till now. Okay, see, this is my earning, it's very less, 0.0011 something, but if you are a good quality writer or something, so it's a great platform, so you can earn. Seen the lot of writers who earn 500 USD plus monthly, so that's why my intention to make a video, if you are a good writer, so you can earn too. Okay, so minimum withdrawal is 10. Okay, see, he's the my earning of I withdraw on 7 December, it's 10 USD, it's around the 562 rupees. Okay, so it's not a fraud or something. It's a genuine platform that pays really good. So you must have to join if you are a good writer, or if you're not, so you can join for the read good blogs or something, whatever you like. Okay, and that's it. Medium is a fantastic platform to earn money by doing what you love writing. Okay, so now is the sign up Medium today. Start writing consistently. Apply these tips to grow faster. If this helped, and smash like the button and subscribe for more earning tips. Drop a comment if you have a question, so I will reply. Until next time, keep earning. Peace out.